the magical realm, where lovebirds paint the skies with their vibrant feathers. Our hero, Mango the peach-faced lovebird, begins his epic journey through the lands of avian wonder. As Mango explores, he encounters the playful fisher's lovebirds, whose joyful chirps fill the air. Suddenly, a storm gathers. The sky darkens as Mango faces his first epic challenge, but fear not. The majestic masked lovebirds arrive to guide Mango to shelter among their ancient forest home. In the heart of the forest, the lovebirds teach Mango their secrets, each breed special in their own way. As the storm passes, rainbow-colored Agapornis fishery emerge with gifts of knowledge for all the lovebirds. Mango realizes that true beauty comes from embracing the diversity among all lovebird species. Now armed with friendship and wisdom, our lovebirds continue their adventure together,